Are you getting the GGST game has crashed and will close, low-level fatal error, or D3D Lost error in Guilty Gear Strive on PC? This issue can cause random crashes, startup failures, or GPU-related errors. Here are the solutions for these errors.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Press download. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer. Press Yes. Press Next. Accept the terms, then press Next. Select No, then press Next. Select your installation folder, and then press Next. Press Next. Wait for DirectX to be installed. Press Finish. Restart your PC to finish the installation. First, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. You can also click on Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. Now wait for your PC to be updated to the latest version. First, open your browser. Search for NVIDIA App Download. Click on NVIDIA App Download. Press Download Now. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press on Agree and Continue. Click on the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Now press Download. Wait for the latest driver to be installed. Press Install. Press Yes. Select Express Installation. Press Continue. Now wait for the latest NVIDIA to be installed.